Today we're going to showcase my green Jordan collection. Outfit on the right, we're going to start off with the pine green 3s. Outfit on the left, we got the Jordan 1 Lucky Green 1s. Both of these graphic tees, I actually created them. I stopped selling them at this point. The cargo pants are Black Taylor cargo pants. You're gonna see in this small collection right here. Then we switched it over to the Oregon Jordan 5s. They matched up perfect with this hoodie right here. We sticking with the same cargo pants. We just switched out for the New York hat. I like how both of these paired up. Hey, I definitely need to throw these Jordan 3s and these Jordan 5s on more often. Then you see I switched out. I threw on a little button-up shirt underneath, but I still kept with this same outfit, and I just switched it for the emerald green Jordan 4s. So let me know if you like this. Next, I ended up pulling out so many cargo pants, but black and green look so good together. Next, grouping the outfits, we switched the cargo pants. They're still black cargo pants, but we went with this Celadon Jordan 1. And then on the left, we got a sweater. On the right, we got the hoodie. And then we just kept with the same Black Raiders cap. I felt like this paired up perfect with it. This touch of orange in this hoodie matched perfect with the sneakers. And then on this left side, if you wanted to make it a little less sporty and a little more casual, you could go with the sweater that I have on the left. Sometimes the simplest tweaks of an outfit, whether you just switch up a shirt and a pair of shoes, can change a whole look from either casual to sporty, from sporty to dressy. I might have to do a part 2 to this video. Same sneakers for this first outfit, but we switched it up for a little more of a casual look with this sweater. Versus you seeing on the right side, I switched it out, denim jeans, and I put on the Olive Craft 4s. I like how this paired up with this denim. It's a slightly tinted denim. It's like this kind of greenish, yellowish tint to it. So let me know if you actually like this outfit. I like how the black cargos paired up with this, and I like how the denim jeans paired up with this as well. We definitely gonna be pumping out more of these videos like this, where I just give you a couple of different options on how I think you should be able to wear or coordinate some of the things that's in your closet. For all of these outfits, just a gold bracelet, and then I got the Apple Watch on. So you see how I switched the denim jeans out for this yellow, because it has that tint, and it matched with the Craft 4s perfectly. We got the olive Yankee cap on, and then on the right we got some denim jeans with the gold as well, and then we switched the sneakers out to these Jade 5s. I love this, the color of this Jade pair of 5s, as well as this Olive Craft Jordan 4s. I think both of these outfits came out nice and clean. Hey, let me know for all those that's following if you like when I do the community posts and I post the outfits and sneaker combinations. So you see I switched it out. I got on this kind of really light olive hoodie. I thought paired up perfectly with the Jade 5s. And then on the right side, I got another graphic tee. I drew this graphic tee to match with the Volt Gold. I felt like I enjoyed how this graphic came out. I need to get back into doing my tees to actually match my sneakers. That's what actually got me back into drawing for a little while. I shut down my shop, so I'm not selling any of these tees anymore. So I have a lot of fun creating these videos. I'm pulling out pairs that I haven't worn in a long time. That way, if you got these boxed up as well, you'll pull them out. With a lot of the new releases, I've been doing like a 10 outfit per new drop or new pickup of the day. Let me know if you feeling that style of video. That way I keep on creating. Okay, next up we got the bright green. So you got this Volt color that actually matched this. So we broke out the green beans to go with this green hoodie right here, with the little black tee underneath. Kept the dark denim jeans to pair up with both of these, but I like how that paired up. So then we switched it out. Next up, we got the Visionaries. I love this pop of color right here. It is so nice. Jordan 1s. We got the cargo pants right here from Fashion Nova, I believe. And I think this matched up perfect. The hoodie on the right, I don't sell anymore. I used to sell this hoodie. I drew this to match this particular pair. And then on the left side, I got the Yachty H&M hoodie, and I felt like it matched these Visionaries like perfectly, in my opinion. And then I just kept it simple with an all black Yankees cap. For the items that's still available, let me know if you want me to add the links to this particular video. Most of the items are probably sold out, but I can suggest some substitutes if you need. As you see, I just switched out the tee to kind of match it up with these Visionaries to see how I like it with this. And then on the right, we switched it back out to the Jordan Oxidized green. And then I love how this button up and these ripped jeans match perfectly with this. And then I threw on the Diamondbacks baseball cap to go. Kept it simple with the jewelry. We got gold chain, bracelet, and watch, and then we called it a day. I love how that paired up. And again, I'm just showing you the Vault Gold match this shirt. Then we switched it out. We're still pairing up things with the Oxidized green Jordan 4s. So I definitely felt like both of these match perfect. You could either go sporty with the hoodie, casual with the zip up, this 3/4 zip. This 3/4 zip, I definitely got it in quite a few colors. I have it in cream and brown, brown and blue, and a few other colors that I can't think of off the top of the head. Hey, if you made it this far, definitely please hit that follow, share this video. I'm definitely trying to get into the habit of posting on here more often. I do a lot of posts on TikTok and Instagram, but I need to get a little more consistent over here on YouTube. And I definitely appreciate you guys sticking around, and we'll definitely continue pumping out these videos. And I felt like it matched perfectly with these pants. We kept on the Diamondbacks cap on, and it definitely just is an outfit that I like. And jewelry, I pretty much kept it simple, watch, bracelet. So on to the next outfit. Again, with the green theme, we got the focus on the love right here. We pulled out some black cargo pants. So far, all the black cargo pants was black Taylor or a Fashion Nova, and I felt like they paired up more perfectly with this lucky green pair of 3s. And then we got the lucky green 2s to go with this Feed Your Dreams sweatsuit. And we get enough likes and support, we'll drop the part 2 to this as well. Hey, follow, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. I appreciate you.